Canadian goldenrod. Beautiful plant. A lot of people say that this plant causes allergies. Doesn't, not really. But if you take a tincture of the flowers, same thing if you do with ragweed, you can make a tincture that helps fight allergies. It has a anise flavor. People make it into a tea. It was once planted for its value as a potential rubber producing crop, but it never took off. You can find this plant in tincture, dried form, and other goldenrods and other plants on my website at gooseandgandertincturesandherbs.com. As always, like, follow, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends, family members, relatives, and enemies. And as always, please do not put this plant in your butt. Have a good day.